Alright guys, we got a 2003 Chevy Silverado single cab. You guys can hear the cam in this sucker. It's a little bit built, nothing crazy. Here's a Dodge. It's fully straight pipe right now, but he hates it. It's too loud. We're gonna test some mufflers on it, see which one sounds better. It's just a little bit too raspy for him. I like it personally, it sounds good. But he just wants to take the resonance out, the rasp, get a nice deep tone on it. But I wanted you guys to hear it with straight pipe. Not bad, sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Still right at 115. As you can see, it's way too loud. He wants to take that, like the raspiness out, and just keep a clean sound out of it. So we're gonna test a few different mufflers on it. So he wants to take the rasp out and just clean it up, give it a more deeper, throatier sound. So we're gonna test about 5 different mufflers on it and see which one he's gonna like more. So stay tuned guys, we're gonna let you hear it out. So we'll let you guys hear what it sounded like before. So let me show you why it sounds like that. So it's got long tube headers, there and there. No cats, 3-inch pipe into a Y pipe, right there. And then 3-inch pipe all the way back into, and then dumped out the back right there. So as you can see, it's fully straight pipe. And he goes, I hate it, I don't want it that loud, I want it a little bit quieter. I said, you came to the right place, we got you. So we're gonna test out a Flowmaster, a Vibrant, a Dynomax race bullet, the NTR Racing by Netami. They're close to like the Carvens. Then we're also gonna test out the Carven TR, the Carven R. Here's a Dynomax race bullet part number. And we're also gonna test out the Flowmaster Outlaw. We're gonna test all these out and see which one is gonna sound best for what he wants. So if you guys wondered what they look like on the inside, so this is the NTR Racing by Netami. It's got 2 rings inside with holes, as you guys can see right there. Then you got the Dynomax race bullets. They got perforated holes. Then you got a different style, which is the Vibrant right there. They're perforated holes, but they're different, as you guys can see. Then you got the Flowmaster Outlaw. It's got rings in it. You see it? Get the light in there. It's got rings in it. Then you got the Carven TR, which got 1 solid ring and then 1 perforated ring. And the inlet is always on this side, on the perforated ring. And there's the solid on this side. Then you got the Carven TR, which has glass back material in it. It's got holes in it right there that catches all the air and dissipates it and all that good stuff. And it's a lot bigger too. This is longer. So there's for size comparison. See how much longer that one is than this one. And then you got the Flowmaster Flow FX. It's perforated like that, but longer. And that's the Vibrant we showed you. So we're gonna start with the Flow FX by Flowmaster. Right here, here's the perforated holes in it. That was the Flow FX. Here's the part number on it, 71419. So now we're gonna do the Dynomax race bullet, 24250. That's what it looks like. Here's the size for you guys. Right there, it's about 9 inches long. Like that one the most? Better? Okay. He likes that one. All right, turn it off. So now we're gonna do the Carven TR. Here's the part number, CVETR 2.5, but instead of 2.5, it'll be 3.0. That's what it looks like. Give it gas. What do you guys think? It's too quiet? Too quiet. Turn it off. So this one's too quiet. So now we're doing the Carven R 3.0 by Carven right there. Give it gas. Rev it. All right, turn it off. What do you guys think? On this one? Yeah. Okay. That's the yes maybe pile right here. That's the no pile. And that's the maybe still. So now we're going to do the NTR Racing by Netami. Oh, that's a, I like that one. What do you guys think of that one? That's a winner, huh? Okay. So that's the maybe pile again. All right, guys, now we're gonna do the Vibrant, part number 1794, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. That one's here. What do you guys think? Too quiet? So Vibrant is no, it's too quiet. There it goes into the no pile. Last but not least, Flowmaster Outlaw, part number 15430S, as in Sam. That's the winner, right? The NTR? You liking the NTR? You want to hear it one last time? So no Outlaw. I like that one, but okay. So no on the Outlaw, surprisingly. NTR for the last time. NTR. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yeah. So I get the thumbs up from both? All right. NTR it is. Now what I want you guys to know in the comments, tell me which one you guys like. Dynomax, Carven R, Flow FX, Vibrant, Flowmaster Outlaw, Carven TR, or the NTR that they picked. Personally, I like the NTR or the Outlaw, but they like the NTR.